Okay, let's summarize the types of lipid that we had discussed. We have five. We have energy storage lipid, membrane lipid, emulsification lipid, and messenger lipids, and protective coating lipids. Under storage lipid, we have TAGs or triacylglycerol in the form of fat and oil. For membrane lipids, we have phospholipid, cholesterol, and sphingoglycolipid. For the phospholipids, it could either be glycerophospholipid or sphingophospholipid. Glycero uses the glycerol as a platform or a backbone, and sphingophospholipid uses sphingosine as a backbone. Okay? Then for sphingoglycolipids, we have two types, cerebrosides and gangliosides, depending on the number of monosaccharides that are present or attached in the phosphate group. Now, for emulsification lipids, we have bile acids, which um, could either be cholic acid or deoxycholic acid. There are two types of deoxycholic acids, the 12-deoxycholic acid and the 7-deoxycholic acid. Then we have the messenger lipids in the form of steroid hormones and icosanoid. For steroid hormones, it is the sex hormones and the adrenocorticoids. For the sex hormones, we have estrogen, androgen, and progestin for the naturally occurring. Then we also have the synthetic, which are the contraceptive and um, the anabolic steroid. Then for adrenocorticoid, we have mineralocorticoid, which is for the regulation of sodium and potassium, and the glucocorticoid for the regulation of glucose metabolism. Then for the eicosanoids, icosa means 20, so it has 20 carbon atoms, and this includes the prostaglandin, the thromboxane, and the leukotriene. Prostaglandins is responsible for the increase in temperature, body temperature, and for intensifying the pain and inflammation. Thromboxane is for the regulation of the blood clots, and leukotrienes are for the um, allergic or hypersensitivity reaction. Then for the last, the protective coating, the biochemical or biological waxes that should be monoester, meaning to say that there should only be one ester group um, or one ester linkage that connects the alcohol residue and the fatty acid residue. Take note that for biological waxes, it should involve long chain of carbon atom in both acid part and the alcohol part. Okay, so that's it for the lipids.